times h of x plus 1 over x. So first let's look at what that would look like. It'd be h of x, which is x plus 1 over x, times h of x plus 1 over x, meaning I would put x plus 1 over x wherever x is. So it'd be x plus 1 over x, that's this one here, plus 1 over x plus 1 over x. So what are we assessing here? We're assessing algebra simplifying, some fractional, complex fractions type work. I'm going to look all the way inside, start way inside and start there. Our pre-calc work here says if I multiply this function, or this expression by x over x, I'm going to clean it up a little bit because that's my common denominator down here. So right there I'm going to get x over x squared plus 1 when I multiply that x through right there. So nothing else is going to change. I'm going to leave it as x plus 1 over x. Now for the sake of the first part of this problem, I'm just going to leave this guy here so I just don't have to keep rewriting it. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to simplify this stuff in front. I'm going to make that x over 1 plus 1 over x. I'm going to do the means equal the extremes. So I call it bow tie. So x times x plus 1 times 1 over 1 times x plus, now I'm just taking this guy down, x over x squared plus 1. I'm going to do that same work one more time. I'm going to go this guy times itself plus this guy over this guy, x times x squared plus 1. So now I'm basically there. I can clean this up. Now I can square this guy, clean up the like terms, and bring this guy up. I'm going to go ahead with this guy and make him x over 1. I'm going to write that right away as x squared plus 1 over x. So I'm going to rewrite that all over here. X squared plus 1 over x is this. Now inside of there I've got, and I'm going to go ahead and do this like term stuff right away, x to the 4th plus, I'm going to have 2x squared plus this x squared. I'm going to go ahead and call that 3x squared plus 1 over x times x squared plus 1. Now we can start looking at some things. What you should see right away is so the first thing I notice is that we can cross this guy off here. And now let's take a look. I can multiply these guys together. X to the 4th plus 3x squared plus 1 over x squared. A very important simplifying skill in calculus is understanding that if it's all over a monomial, we can break it up into pieces. So I can write that as x to the 4th over x squared plus 3x squared over x squared plus 1 over x squared. And then that, of course, would simplify to x squared plus 3 plus 1 over x squared. Now your challenge, after we simplified this, is to figure out which one of these is equivalent to what we know it should be. Because that's the ultimate to get this one right, is make it fit.